Hello children, today we can go to the program number 3. What was that? Write a program in Java to accept a string from the user. And you have to pass the string to a function display string str which display the constant present in the string. Suppose you have input computer. In the computer you have to take out the vowels and constants should be present. So C, M, P, T, R should be there. Now we go to the code of this program. What we have written here, import java.util scanner class, then public class cons, that means constant. Then we have open the curly bracket, we are writing public void display string str. So str we are storing computer and the string index start from 0 to 7. Now string, again we are taking string data type, in we are storing what, rs equal to double quotes semicolon. Then one loop we have taken for in I equal to 0, I less than star dot length str dot length open and close bracket semicolon I plus plus, and the loop of the string start from I to 0 to 7. Now open the curly bracket. If str dot character ati equal to a, that is small a, or str dot character ati equal to upper A, we are using for this, we are using for checking the vowels. If you have to see that I is what, 0. In 0 which index was that, C. If C equal to A or S or equal to uppercase, so here we have to see the matching of the vowels. If the vowels are matching, then it will go on continue. If the vowels are not matching with that loop, so you have to come out to the else part. So that is why we are using here continue. You have to match with the character ati equal to a, or up a character ati string str dot character ati equal to uppercase. If the vowels are matching, so it will be go on continue. If the vowels are not matching, we have skip and come to the else part. And else part, what we have to do, rs equal to rs plus str dot character ati. So you have to add here in rs, and this will go on continue till our end of the string. It come to the last string character and it will be stopped. Now we'll get the constant of the string, and that constant of the string we have to print, that will store in a rs. Now you have to, what we have to do, invoke a function. How will invoke a function? The same way, public static void main string args you have to write and use the scanner class system.out.print, enter a string. Then after that, string s is equal to in dot next line, then cons, that means constant obj is equal to new constant obj, then obj dot display. So in this way you can do the constant program using the function. Now we go to the second program. What was that? Write a class with the name area using function overloading. Now we have to do a function overloading program that computes the area of a parallelogram, rhombus and a trapezium. The formula is given here. Area of a parallelogram is PG equal to base into HT. Area of a rhombus, what was that? RH equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals. Area of a trapezium, that is TR equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B bracket into H, where A and B are the parallel side, H is the perpendicular distance between the parallel side. Now you can see the overloading program. How will you do? The same, our package name, what was that? Import java.util scanner, you have to use. Class name, what was that? Area. Then open the curly bracket. What will write? Public double area 1. And what you have to store? Double base double height. Then again open the curly bracket. You have to use the return base into height and close the curly bracket. Then again public double area 2. What have to store? Double C double D1 double D2 and close the bracket. Then open the curly bracket and what have to write? Return C into D1 into D2 terminate with a semicolon and close the curly bracket. The same way, public double area 3. What you have to do? Open the bracket, double C, double A, double B and double H. Then close the bracket. Then you have to return it. How will I return? C into A plus B bracket into H. So in this way you can do the function overloading program. Now that function overloading program, you have to invoke it. How will you invoke? Public static void main string args. Then open the curly bracket. Use the scanner class. Then write area obj equal to new area. Our class name, what was that? Area. So area obj is equal to new area. Then take the double data type. You have to store base ht, d1 and d2. Then double, again take the double data type. In that you have to store 3 variables a, b and h. Now you have to do print the base. Enter the base. Base is equal to in dot next double open and close bracket and terminate with a semicolon. Now you have enter the height. Height also you have to read out. Then after that you have to print. How will you print? System.out.println. Area of a parallelogram equal to close the bracket plus. You have to call the function. What was that function name? Obj dot area 1 in bracket write base comma ht, then close the bracket. Here you had to call the function. Your function name, what was that? Area 1 is there. So obj dot area 1 open the bracket base comma ht. Now we go to the second one. System dot out dot print enter first diagonal. Then d1 equal to in dot next double. Then system.out.print enter the second diagonal. d2 equal to in dot next double. Again you have to same way. How will you print? System.out.println area of a rhombus equal to what you did plus object dot area 2. Then 0.5 how will you get? Because 1 by 2 is the formula is that you have to write in a, you have to convert it. And you have to write 0.5 comma d1 and d2. Then close the bracket semicolon. Next what was that? System.out.println enter the first parallel. A equal to in dot next double and system.out.print enter the second parallel. Then B equal to in dot next double. Then you have to print system.out.print enter height of a trapezium. Then h is equal to in dot next double. Then you have to print system. How will you print this trapezium? Same way, system.out.println area of a trapezium equal to object dot area. Then 0.5 because formula is there 1. 0.5 comma a comma b comma h. You will get the area of a trapezium. In this way you can do the function overloading program by using the or calling the main function also. For today, for this much only. Thank you, my dear children.